Alrighty guys, let's take a listen. Y'all hear that? Real quick guess. That didn't take long at all, guys. Look what we got here. We got a new manifold gasket, guys. On this year model, you don't need the whole manifold, okay? You just need the gasket. And you only need the gasket because I'm going to take the manifold off. And I'm going to take the manifold off simply to replace all these bolts. But here's the main culprit right here, these studs, okay? The studs are what break, okay? They're on the end of the exhaust manifold. So due to any kind of cat converter, vibration, or anything like that, these may snap. In my opinion, I always got to put that out there, I think these bolts will work their way loose. Again, guys, this at the end of those manifold is the cat converter. All right, any kind of major vibration going on, this will do one of these numbers and simply just snap. All right, so I got to get that manifold off, get that broken stud out of there, and we're gonna go finish to get this thing right. All right, y'all stay tuned for the full video. Alrighty guys, I got the shield off now. It's time to get busy, guys. Now y'all saw, you can see a closer view right here. I've already explained what, in my opinion, what I think happened. A lot of vibration going on right here. Remember, it's always close to the tail end of the exhaust, meaning right where the cat converter connects. Okay, in my opinion, I think some vibration going on. This stud just snapped. Now, from the look of this, guys, I may be in luck. Y'all see that? I'm gonna zoom in. I may have a chance to take this manifold off and simply use a pair of vice grips to twist it off. Yeah, I couldn't have gotten any luckier. All right, here's the thing, guys. Sometime, if you're gonna remove this steering shaft right here, okay, you gotta make sure you mark the position of the steering wheel. Remember, there's a clock spring inside of that steering cover. All right, there's an airbag module and a clock spring. You don't want that wheel to just turn, because the ribbon in that clock spring will break and you would end up with a airbag light. So if you're gonna take this off, which I may have to, it depends, this dipstick gonna have to come out, it depends. So if you got to take it off, just make sure you position it still so it won't move. All right, so let me get these let me get this exhaust manifold off first. But you know what I got? Yeah, baby. Check it out. Mopar rust penetration. We don't use Derman penetration over here, guys. We use Mopar. All right, so let me soak this for a little bit, just a tab. It don't take much. This stuff is so good, all it takes is a swallow. Alrighty guys, so I'm getting ready to remove this manifold and replace the studs. But guys, I got the cat converter bolts off. Now look, I want to show y'all something. Y'all see this? This one right here, this is the one the dipstick is attached to. Look, it's just dangling around in there. It wasn't even attached. So I'm hoping that didn't break off. Well, it looks whole. It looked flush. I guess I can get a closer look once I get it all the way off. But I have yet to put a wrench on that to try to take it off. It was just sitting in there like this. That's how it was, just like that. All right, I'm only up to it now because I'm getting ready to take it off, but it looks whole and complete. Now, are you suggesting that those threads just work their way out? You know, I had to go backwards because that bolt is all the way out, unless the threads inside the head strip. I don't know, I got to get it off to get a closer look. Let's get it, man. Alright guys, just when I thought I might be lucky is when reality kick in. Okay, yes, I was lucky up to a standpoint of this stud right here that broke. Just a mere pair of vice grips, so I can work that out. Alright, but I wasn't so lucky on the other end. Now, how many of y'all had this happen? Oh my goodness, the damn thing, the end stud broke off over here. Oh man, we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to weld a nut on there. Oh my goodness. See, I thought I got lucky, guys. So remember what I was telling you about earlier, that this right here came out whole. It didn't just unscrew and work its way backwards. It damn broke. JT, boy, I tell you, so my luck ran out. All right, the good news is I got the manifold out. I can proceed with the repairs. I'm gonna have to go and take this dipstick out. All right guys, let me go get my, because ain't no way around that. In order to fix this properly, I have to seal right here. I know some of you guys will leave one of them off, but you can't leave the end one off. All right, that's like what closed the circuit. But I'm gonna zoom in right there. This is where my luck ran out. I got extremely lucky and I got extremely happy when I saw that this stud was still intact. However, yeah, right there. My luck run it dry. Poor JT, can't catch a break. All right guys, let me go Let me go figure out what I'm gonna do about plan B. Y'all stay tuned for plan B. All right, we'll be back. Alrighty, guys. Plans B. Plan B. I don't have a welding machine, so I'm gonna go back in and see if my buddy would. I think he owed me a bunch of favors anyway, y'all. Let's go find out if he'll come over here and help your boy out. See, that's why I gotta stop talking crap all the time, because every now and then, I will need one of these jokers. All right, let's find out. We ain't supposed to look at it, dude.
Probably gonna take a couple times. We're gonna try.
Oh, you didn't put a nut on it? Oh, you just building a bead.
Yeah.
Well, how you getting the bead right on the nut? Man, don't turn so hard. Hey, right here.
Right.
Ooh. Oh! Oh! Oh, come on, man. Did it come out?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you dropped it. I was about to.
It ain't out yet.
Oh, no. But, come on, man. Come on, man. It sucks, man. It's garbage. You told me don't get too happy, at least. So was you turning or the bead turning? Was it both?
It was backing out.
Oh, so you closer to the out. Oh my goodness. This is nerve-wracking. Ooh, that's a nice bead there. That one's sticking right out. Woo-hoo, that was a good one now. No, man, I like the way that looks. And it's pointing out. It looks like you finally got it right attached to the nut.
Let's see what happens.
Big positive, Joe. Oh, it's turning.
Yeah. It was turning last time.
So it didn't hit the ground.
So it fell off like last time.
Ooh, that's a good sign.
Oh yeah. Yep, there it went.
Dude!
I told you, man.
You get me all pumped up for nothing?
So look, it's only a thread in now. It's only one thread in.
We up to plan G now.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep on keeping on, man. That's all we can do.
Keep on
It's
keeping
coming.
on.
It's coming out.
Bead number 5.
When it's a steady sound like bacon nonstop,
Bacon.
that's a good one.
Ooh, it's turning. Easy before you break the easy, man.
I got a welder. I can put more on there.
No, I don't want to go way up already up to plan H.
It's the same plan. We're still on plan A.
Oh, we ain't doing nothing different.
No, we're just doing the same thing.
Woo, that's a good sign now. I see it turning. Turn, baby, turn. Ooh, it's sticking out real good now.
I know, but it just won't turn. Wiggle in it. There, turn there. Here, see if you can turn it.
Yes.
Well,
Oh, we done with the welding phase.
fucking sharp ass knife.
Ooh, righty, guys. This is why it's real cool to keep friends. Everybody, never talk smack to the guy that owned the welding machine, all right? Because you may need him. Yeah, now I gotta, this one's no big challenge, okay? Oh, in fact, it's already hand. At least I thought it was. But we got that one out. This is part of this. Okay, so we scot-free now, guys. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm sure that's all y'all wanted to see. So now the rest is just, I'm gonna reuse the manifold. There's nothing wrong with the manifold, but I got a new manifold gasket, as well as new bolts and new studs. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.